And just sit or lie down wherever you feel comfortable. See that your head, neck, and back is in a straight line. And just start by breathing in and out, and just watch your own breathing. You don't have to make it slower or faster or deeper, or count with your in-breath and your out-breath. You can just follow your own breath and just feel how relaxed you start to be. That's right. And take another few nice, comfortable breaths. And then start thinking of anything that gives you joy and happiness. It can be a person, it can be an animal, it can be a situation, anything that brings joy, fun, and happiness to you. Feel very good about that and feel it inside your body. Where in your body do you feel this joy and happiness? Just create this emotion of joy through thinking of something that make you joyful and happy. And by feeling this inside our bodies, we actually open a portal to let our light shine. It's so beautiful. Feel the joy in your body. See what color is associated with the joy. And see where the center of this color, the center of this joy is in your body. Just enjoy this color in your body, this feeling of joy. The portal from which your light will shine is created by the frequency of joy. It's our God consciousness. And we are part of the God consciousness, the Christ consciousness. Feel God. Feel the God consciousness. Feel the Christ consciousness through the joy in your body. And make it even stronger. You are starting to project that God consciousness, the joy, the happiness, the Christ consciousness from your body. See how it emanates from the center of your chest, your heart center, and it makes the projection so much stronger as it radiates from you to be reflected and complemented by all the souls on earth, and see their joy, see their happiness, and see their freedom. Create your own imagery. See how happy the souls are. and see how happy the earth are. Imagine joy in any way possible and see yourself, the souls on earth and the earth herself, happy and free. Project the joy to everybody, all souls on earth and to earth herself. Raise the frequency of all by raising the frequency of joy and happiness within your own body. Increase the joy, increase the happiness, increase the color. See happy faces. See how the earth is free now. See how the souls on earth is free. See the celebration. Feel the celebration within your own body and feel the ripple effect. See the earth and see a new matrix, the 5D matrix, all around and through the earth. It's a matrix of joy. The 3D matrix is gone. It's a matrix of freedom, happiness. Increase the feeling. Increase the frequency from the heart and send it to the entire structure. See it moving from north to south and from south to north. See the joy moving from east to west. Send the frequency to the souls. See their happiness. See their freedom. Send the frequency to the earth and through her matrix. Feel and increase the joy. The waves of joy are rippling through you and from you, and you increase it more. See the happiness, see the freedom. And take another nice and deep breath before you release the image. And your cells and your own energy remembers the happiness, the freedom, the joy. Love your own light. Allow your self-talk to match your joy and your light. And when you allow yourself to come back to the here and the now, you also remember that we are on a journey and that we may enjoy every moment of it. And move your hands and feet before you open your eyes. Right, so that was Marina Jacobi's quantum healing and quantum physics meditation, which I just converted into a body-mind meditation. And we